Good morning, student. Today we start estimating sum. We have completed till exercise 2.3 before first unit test. From now today we start estimating sum. Before we start this topic, we have to recall rules for rounding numbers. So rule for rounding numbers, first rule is if digit after rounding digit is less than 5, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, then we have we have we leave rounding digit as it is, and digit after rounding digit become 0. Okay, for example, suppose example is given. First example, round 102 nearest to 10. In this case, ones tens, we have to round nearest to tens. So this 0 is the rounding digit, and digit after rounding digit is 2. So 2 is less than 5. Okay, so we leave 0 as it is, and digit after 0 become the 0. Okay, 2 become 0. Okay, so solution is 102 rounded off nearest to tens is equals to 100. Second example, round 2343 nearest to 100. So in this case, nearest to 100, ones, tens, 100. This is the rounding digit, and digit after rounding digit is 4. 4 is less than 5, so here 2343 rounded off nearest to 100 is equals to 2300. Okay, now second rule, if digit, here it is digit, if digit after rounding digit is greater or equal to 5, that is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then we add 1 to rounding digit, and digit after rounding digit become 0. Okay, so for this rule example are given here. For example, round 17,890 nearest to 1000. So ones, tens, hundred and thousand. At 1000 it is 7. So this is rounding digit, and digit after rounding digit 7 is 8. So if 8 is greater than 5, then we add 1 to 7, and remaining digit become 0. 17,890 rounded off nearest to 1000 equals to 18,000. Okay, now 7 plus 1 8, and remaining digit become 0. Now question number second example, round 1592 nearest to 100. 1000 here nearest to 100, ones, tens, 100. At 100 place it is 5. So 5 after 5 it is 5, and after 5 it is digit is 9. So 9 is greater than 5, so we have to add 1 to 5. Okay, 1592 rounded off nearest to 100 equals to 16,600. Now we start exercise. Now we start exercise 2.4. Read the question number 1. Estimate the sum of rounding. Estimate the sum of rounding 4-digit number to nearest 1000 and 3-digit number to nearest 100. Then check by adding. First of all, we have to estimate the sum by rounding the 4-digit number nearest to 1000 and 3-digit number nearest to 100, and then again we have to check it by adding, simply adding. Okay, simply we have to add, and then we have to check it. Okay, so look here, we start exercise 2.4. First A number. Okay, question is 6540 plus 5390. Okay, this is the question. Solution, this one, for this ones, tens, 100, 1000, this is 1000 plus, and digit after this 5. 5 is equals to 5. That's one. That means that we have to we have to add 1 to 6. That becomes 7 double 0. Okay, 700. Now for this case, ones, tens, hundred, thousand. This is thousand place digit. After this digit is 3. 3 is less than 5. So we don't add anything in the rounding digit. That means 5 become 5. We leave 5 as it is, and remaining digit become 0. Like this. Now add them. How much you get? 12,000. Okay. Also, you have to add them actually without rounding. 5390. How much you get? 0. 4 plus 9, 13, 8, 9, and this becomes 12. This is the actual actual number that we get after adding. Okay, so nearly they are same. Okay, no? Look, some more question number F. Question number F is 775 plus 6750. So in this case, this is a 3-digit number and this is a 4-digit number. We have to round 3-digit number nearest to 100 and the 4-digit number nearest to 1000. So 7075, when we round it nearest to 100, it becomes how much? 1s, 10s, 100. This is the rounding digit, and after it it's 7. 7 is greater than 5, so it becomes 800 plus 1s, 10s, 100,000. This is 1000 digit number. After it is 7, and 7 is greater than 5, so we add 1 to 6. It becomes 7,000. Now add it. How much you get? 7,800. Now add it without what you call without rounding numbers. How much you get? 7750,576. Add it. 5, 12, 1, 14, 15, 7. Look, it is nearest to it. Okay, so you write here estimate sum equals to 7,800. Okay, here also you write estimated sum equals to 12,000. So again I explain the question. In question number 1, we have to round the rounding the number 4-digit number nearest to 1000 and 3-digit number nearest to 100. In this first question, both numbers are 4-digit numbers, so we round 4-digit number nearest to 1000. 1 states 100,000. 1000 means 6 is a rounding digit. Sorry. After digit it is 5. 5 is equals to 5. Means rule number 2 we use here. We add 1 to 6, becomes 7,000, and in this plus in this number 1 states 100,000. 5 is a rounding digit, and after this is 3. 3 is less than 5, so we leave 5 as it is, 5,000, and then we add it. How much we get? 12,000. Then when we add it without rounding, how much we get? 11,930. It is nearest to it. Okay, now fifth number, 7,075 plus 6,750. So this is 3-digit number, this is 2-digit number. As in question mentioned that we have to rounding the 3-digit number nearest to 100 and 4-digit number nearest to 100. So it become how much? 4 1 10 100 7. After this also 7 is greater than 5, so we add 1 to 7. Okay, 8,000 plus here 1 10 100 1000 is 6-digit number. After it is 7. 6 plus 1 7,000. Okay, then we add it. How much we get? 7,800. So when we add without estimating, it become how much? 7,750. When we add it, how much we get? This one. When we add, how much we get? 7,525. So estimating sum is how much? 7,800. Okay, So for today, this is enough. Tomorrow we start next question from 2 number. So solve all the question of exercise. Solve the all question of one of exercise 2.4. That that's all for today.